we start with the letter J. Keeping basic handwriting rules into mind, you start with J. It's a standing line, half the line, again little towards the downwards or almost half the line here also, and then take a curve towards the right. This forms the letter J. A dot on the top. So it's like this, letter J. Then we move towards the letter K. K is a standing line, in between a slanting line going up and a slanting line coming down. This standing line is going to be a little higher than both the slanting lines, because this is lowercase. So you all can see the letter K. Then we move towards the letter L. L is a little bigger than half the line. I told you all the letters like K, L and B, D are going to be little higher than half the line, but they are not going to touch the upper line, and everything is going to touch the lower line completely. So L is just a standing line. Then M is standing line. Then you go up and form a curve, then again a straight line down, again go up, form a curve and straight line down. So, and this is again half the line. Now guys, in case from letter A to I, if you all did not get any letter perfect, then you all can go and practice once again, seeing the last video. Then this is letter N. N is again a standing line, which is half the line, and then a curve, and then you come down as a standing line. Simple. Then O. O is a small circle. P is a standing line, and then a C. It is like this. If you join a C, reverse C, and a standing line, it will form P. Then we move towards the letter Q. Q is again C. This is not reverse, this is the way C is, and then a standing line, half the line, both the lines, and then from the end you take a now, and this is a slanting line towards the right. So once again I'll show you. This is Q. I hope you all remember each letter or each alphabet has to be written twice, 2 times. Then we move on towards the letter R. R is again a standing line, and from little below that you are going to make a curve towards the right, and the curve is going to be very small. So R is like this, standing line and a curve towards the right. After that it is a letter S. S can be written as like you are combining two C's, one in this direction in the right and the other in the reverse direction. If you write that and join that properly, you will get an S. Then now again a standing line, half the line, little more than half the line. Then towards the end you have to take a little curve, and in between a sleeping line. So this forms the letter T. Remember to do each letter twice the line full. Now this is letter U, standing line, then a curve in the end, then again a standing line, and then a small curve again at the end of this line. Now suppose you make a C facing the upwards direction, then it is going to be like this, and it is half the line. Then you come down the last line and make a little curve. So this is U. Okay, this is letter U. The C should not be very rounded, just try to make it little round. Just see again, this is like a C, little round, come down and make a little curve downwards. This is the letter U. Moving forward to the next letter, which is V. It's a slanting line in both the directions upwards. So this way, slant, and again it should touch the line downwards. So both the slanting lines, they meet at one point. So this is letter V. Now we move forward to next letter W. This is like 2V together. Just see. Easy. Now next letter is letter X. One slanting line crossing the other slanting line almost in between. Remember, everywhere half the line concept has to be maintained. Little bit here and there will do, as I told you all. Now again we are making a C facing upwards. Then from the upper point of the C, you come down as a straight line and then a curve. So this forms the letter Y. See again, it is C, come down, same line and curve towards the left. It is letter Y. Now in the air you make a sleeping line. From the end of the sleeping line make a slanting line, and when the slanting line you touch the lower line, from that point you make a sleeping line again towards the right. This is the letter Z, and this is the last letter of the series. After this, in the next video, we are going to write few words. So you all will have to practice till here properly. Any letter which you all don't know, come back to that and again do. After doing letter Z, till here you all will do in one go. And if you have any questions, please feel free to write it down in the comment section given below.
So guys, that's it for today. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment and click the bell icon to get notifications on every new video we make. Thank you for watching.